This is how you link your digital profile to your card. On iPhone, open your profile and press Link to NFC card at the top in orange. Then, scan the QR code to connect your card. If you don't have a QR code, choose Red with NFC and simply tap your card to the phone. A quick tap on the card shows it's ready. Change profiles by unlinking the card, then linking it again to your chosen one. Then tap the card to confirm it's now linked to the new profile. On Android, start by pressing Link to NFC card at the top, then point your camera at the QR code to connect your card. No QR code available. Select Red with NFC and tap the card to the back of your Android phone. A fast tap on the card confirms it's set. To switch, first unlink your card, then link it to any of your 6 profiles. One tap confirms your card is now linked to the new profile.